Handy Hudsonite here. I'm going to show you the power of right-clicking in Gmail right on your Gmail messages. I'm going to show you exactly how that works right after this. Here we are in my Gmail inbox. Number of messages, as most of us have in our inbox. What we want to do is right-click. It doesn't matter which message. Right-click on it, and we are met with a number of different features, action points that we can utilize. Reply, reply all, forward as attachment for passing on this message or replying to it. You can archive it, delete it, mark it as unread, snooze it. Now this is a feature where you can put the message to sleep, so to say, so that it comes back later. So if I snooze it, I can say, oh, I want to read it later today, so I would choose that, or I can actually pick a specific time and date where I would want to re-engage with this message. A powerful way to interact with our email so that we're not inundated by it. We can move this message to different labels that we've created. We can move it to spam or trash. We can also create new. That would be creating a new label, and then you can nest that label under something else. Be sure to check out my video on how to use labels. We can also label this email under the labels that we've created, or create a new label, or even go into the managing labels box. We can mute this message, so the message will be muted, and we can unmute that later in settings. We can also find emails from YouTube, so it's just a quick way to find similar emails to this one without having to go into the search box and type in that all over again. It's a quick way to just narrow down those type of emails. Finally, you could just open the email in a new window like this, and then come over here and either reply to it, or you hit these three dots. You're going to be met with a whole lot of other features related to how you want to interact with the message. So this shows us the power of right-clicking without even going into the actual email itself, and all that we can do with it. So I hope this has been helpful for you. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, The Handy Hudsonite, for more tips, hacks, and reviews so that you can get the job done. And don't forget the notification bell so that you can get my content as it goes up. And I will look forward to seeing you in the next video.